Create a new document with this settings. Go to File menu and choose Place Embedded. Open this image. Open this image. Remove background image. Drag and drop your image to main document. Press Ctrl+T and adjust size and position. Choose the Type tool. Write your text. Follow this process. Go to File menu and choose Place Embedded. Open this image. Hold Alt and click to create clipping mask. Press Ctrl+T and adjust size and position. Go to File menu and choose Place Embedded. Open this image. Select the layers. Press Ctrl+T and adjust size and position. Follow this process. Choose Marquee tool, and follow the process. Create a new layer. Press Ctrl Backspace to fill with the background color, and follow the process. And finally add your other texts. That's it, hope you liked it. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thanks for your support. Also watch other tutorials in my channel.